Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset home location in Google Maps. Your home location on Google Maps is used for quick navigation, directions, and personal suggestions, like traffic or nearby businesses. If you've moved or want to reset your location, Google Maps allows you to update it easily for more accurate recommendation and routes. Now in this video tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through the process step by step to reset your home location in Google Maps. The first step is to open Google Maps on your mobile device or desktop. In this video tutorial, I'm using my computer. If you're using your mobile device, you can use My Maps application on your phone. I'm just gonna go to maps.google.com here. Now make sure you sign in using your Google account's credentials here. And if you're not already logged in, make sure you log in. Now on mobile, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to your places labeled and tap home. And also tap set home address or edit if you already have a location set. And a map will open and you can either search for your new address or pin a new location. And once set, your new home address will be saved and Google Maps will use it for quick navigation. And here on your desktop, you're just gonna have to click on the saved here on the left side and click on home and then set your home here. You're gonna set the address for your phone and click on save. Resetting your home location is simple in Google Maps and ensures that you receive accurate travel time, traffic updates, and nearby suggestions based on new locations. It's a good idea to update this when moving or changing where you regularly need to travel from.